Starting around 08 November 2023, Star Atlas DAO especially is exchanging at 26 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.7% in by and large most recent 60 minutes, which truly is very critical in an in every practical sense, huge way. Polis generally especially has a for the most part commonly complete market cap of $39,397,584, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $500,660 in a very significant manner, which is very huge. This generally truly makes Star Atlas DAO, Polis, sort of lovely positioning at 469 in the cryptographic money market in an essentially huge manner, which in every practical sense is very critical. In the event that you especially certainly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in a real sense is the Star Atlas DAO cost expectation end of 2023, what will Star Atlas DAO in every way that really matters be by and large sort of worth in 2023, which certainly generally is very critical, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Is Star Atlas DAO a pretty especially wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2023 in a fundamentally significant manner? Will Polis cost basically explicitly outperform its unequaled certainly extremely high in a really significant manner? These in every practical sense are our Star Atlas DAO cost expectations for Polis's future in an unpretentious manner, which sort of is very huge. Star Atlas DAO, Polis, value expectation 2023. As per the Star Atlas DAO estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Polis cost basically especially is supposed to basically cross a fundamentally normal value level of 12 cents, the normal sort of kind of least value worth of Star Atlas DAO, toward the finish of the extremely current year, ought to for the most part be 12 cents. Which essentially sort of is very critical. Besides, Polis can generally most certainly arrive at a by and large greatest value level of 13 cents, essentially for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking, or so they sort of thought. Star Atlas DAO value expectation August 2023. The cost of Star Atlas DAO truly sort of is in a real sense anticipated to for the most part reach at a sort of fundamentally least worth of $0.096 in August 2023, or so they basically thought, in spite of mainstream thinking. The Polis cost could generally arrive at a most extreme worth of 11 cents, with the exceptionally in every way that really matters, normal exchanging worth of 11 cents all through 2023, which by and large all things considered is very critical, which is very huge. Star Atlas DAO value expectation September 2023. Star Atlas DAO cost by and large in a real sense is supposed to fundamentally truly reach between 11 cents to 11 cents in September 2023. While the sort of extremely normal cost of Polis for the September in every way that really matters stays around 11 cents. Star Atlas DAO value gauge October 2023. The normal cost of Star Atlas DAO, Polis, could explicitly basically go to 11 cents toward the finish of October 2023, which explicitly in a real sense is genuinely huge in opposition to prevalent thinking. Polis could for the most part be exchanging around a kind of by and large greatest worth of 12 cents, with the truly least expected cost of 11 cents in a truly significant manner, or so they explicitly thought. Polis value gauge November 2023. Concerning November 2023, Star Atlas DAO by and large especially is supposed to in a real sense most certainly arrive at an all things considered kind of least value worth of 11 cents in an extremely huge manner. The Polis cost could basically arrive at a reasonably most certainly greatest cost of 12 cents, with the in every way that really matters, normal cost around 12 cents in an especially truly significant manner. Star Atlas DAO value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Star Atlas DAO by and large for the most part is supposed to really fundamentally be at around an in every practical sense, in every way that really matters, least of 12 cents, which basically explicitly is genuinely huge, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. Star Atlas DAO cost can for the most part in every way that really matters arrive at a limit of 13 cents, with the pretty by and large normal cost of 12 cents in United States dollars in an unobtrusive way incredibly. Star Atlas DAO genuinely passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Star Atlas DAO's cost by and large has shown a very decent increment of 2.76% in the especially in every practical sense most recent 24 hours, which fundamentally basically shows that this in every way that really matters makes Star Atlas DAO, Polis, truly positioning at 469 in the digital money market in an unobtrusive way, which especially is genuinely huge. From especially for the most part most recent 7 days the pulse basically was in essentially great vertical pattern and expanded by 13.74%, or so they thought amazingly. Star Atlas DAO has shown areas of strength for truly potential recently, and this could be great chance to dive right in and contribute, or so they in a real sense thought, in spite of prevalent thinking. Nonetheless, after the contrasting the kind of current cost and by and large truly beyond 30 days cost history, it generally is seen that Star Atlas DAO basically really has expanded 1.744% in its worth in an unpretentious manner, which most certainly is very huge. The especially kind of typical certainly least cost for the month generally is 23 cents, while sort of greatest in every practical sense, most certainly normal cost, generally especially was 25 cents, lovely kind of additional appearance, how might pulse cost vary the most part outperform its record-breaking high, which in every way that really matters, by and large is very critical. This suggests that this coin explicitly certainly is a reasonable resource and another expansion to pretty exceptionally arrangement of coins for extremely long haul in a sort of significant manner. Star Atlas DAO Value Gauge 2023 Facts. What will generally be Star Atlas DAO kind of worth in 2023, which is genuinely critical, which essentially is genuinely huge. The pulse cost explicitly is gauged to truly arrive at an extremely greatest degree of 13 cents, with kind of truly least cost of 12 cents, toward the finish of 2023, in a sort of most certainly huge manner, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Star's Atlas DAO especially have a future in an unpretentious manner, or so they sort of thought. As far as value, Star Atlas DAO by and large has an exceptional especially extremely potential to sort of arrive at new levels, showing how this basically makes Star Atlas DAO, pulse, sort of really positioning at 469 in the cryptographic money market in a very enormous manner. It essentially is figure that pulse will increment in esteem, which explicitly truly shows that pulse value estimate November 2023. With respect to November 2023, Star Atlas DAO entirely is supposed to in every practical sense arrive at a truly least value worth of 11 cents, or so they generally by and large thought. As per in every practical sense, fundamentally unambiguous specialists and business experts, Star Atlas DAO can entirely raise a ruckus around town, in a real sense the greatest cost of $0.024 till 2030, essentially further appearance, how might pulse cost fundamentally really outperform its unsurpassed high, which generally is very huge. Is Star Atlas DAO exceptionally worth purchasing in 2023, or so they generally thought in an unobtrusive manner? Star Atlas DAO's worth essentially is supposed to generally keep on extending, as deficiency will in general truly empower cost rise, showing how quite is Star Atlas DAO a truly wise speculation or especially in every practical sense.